What's going on, folks? I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. I'm doing a quick review on these Vulcan Z I'm not sure which one. I'm Canadian. I'm supposed to know. So I wanted to hold off because I needed to see what these things were like over time. And time after time, I had a lot of freaking problems with different SATA SSD drives. This is my workbench right here right now. Don't worry about it. I still love you. I've had problems with all major brands. Western Digital, I no longer trust. Kingston, Kensington, whichever frickin' one. This one, the Kingston SSDs, I do not have luck with them. So, come on down to the lab and see what's on the slab. I see you shiver with anticipation. But maybe the rain is what's really to blame. I like to keep my boys under the table. Anyways, under the table here, I've been rocking these in these different systems. Down here, I've had them rocking for almost a year, so I think I can say by now that these things, they're pretty much about as good as any other thing I've worked with. Now, I strongly feel like we're in a time where we just can't rely on our hardware like we used to. Man, as I go through hard drives, I've been a data hoarder for so freaking long. I got a giant machine upstairs. I used to have external hard drives. I liked it that way so nothing could destroy my data. But anyways, I ended up moving to a, well, frick, let me just show you. How do you like my mountain of Funko Pops? I'm not a hoarder. Here it is. It was originally a Pelco server long ago and far away. Now that's what I use to hold all of my internets. So what I'm getting down to is I am a bit of an autist, especially when it comes to data. I'm a bit of a hoarder. I mean, like, look at this. Yeah, your boy's a hoarder. Let's face it. And as a hoarder, a data hoarder, I can tell you that the prices on these are reasonable, and they're going to screw up just as much as any other ones are going to screw up. I cannot tell you that any will screw up any less than any others, except for maybe Samsung. I haven't had any horror stories with the Samsung yet. I've heard good things about Samsung, but anyways, the person that keep telling me that Samsung's great is Korean. So, anyways. Yeah, check it out. Good stuff. Check it out. Link in the description, guys. Check it out. Vulcan Z, endorsed by Aunt Jemima and Jesus. If you don't want to buy it now, Aunt Jemima and Jesus, you're like a bad person. The Colonel, Cassius Clay, or, geez, that was so disrespectful, Muhammad Ali, Apollo Creed, and Barney the Dinosaur. We all agree that the Vulcan Z is good to go. Baby Jesus. Oh my God, no, Apollo, what happened to you? This is what I get for letting my kids play with my action figures. Oh, toys for children, Nevin. Remember you said that when they got you in a blender there, Santa. Anyways, I'm gonna lead out with the Chaos Marines listening to the Grand Ole Opry. Have a good one, folks, and take care of each other, will ya? Yeah, and these ain't bad.